YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. And this video is about XRP. XRP is waking the sleeping giant. So just be aware, there's a lot of XRP information going around. And I want to get back to getting some XRP videos out. So this is the BTM page. We're really bullish on Turbo, if you can see. But don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page and the Discord, or the X page, or Twitter X, or whatever you want to call it. But this is XRP market cap 500 billion, possible within 6 weeks, says veteran trader. XRP market cap 500 billion, possible within 6 weeks, says veteran trader. XRP should obtain 260% gain, or a $6.40 price target after the breakout, but a delay may affect the chart patterns outcome, says Peter Brandt. XRP's price is attempting to close a daily candle above its descending resistance trend line, which previously capped the altcoin price action. Successive breaks above the trend line and resistance range at 248 and 260 will be a strong sign from bulls, and potentially leading to a breakout above $2.72. Let's go. 25 cents. However, long-term target could be as high as $15 if the flagpole height is considered, which is a 514% rise from here. So moving forward, this is Altcoin Daily just in. Chainlink partners with Ripple XRP. And of course, this is when Trump says XRP out loud, it's game over. Let me go back and start this from the beginning.
And instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin. And instead of
I missed something. He didn't actually say XRP. Weird. Documenting Ripple just in. United States XRP Strategic Reserve inbound. So this is the CEO of Ripple, if you don't know, and President-elect Trump and some other guy. So this is Bloomberg Crypto. When did Bloomberg get a crypto channel? Interesting. Ripple's president, Monica Long, expects to see the new stablecoin RLUSD on more platforms imminently, and says we see a XRP ETF soon. So let's go back and see what she has to say here.
We are continuing to expand distribution and availability of Ripple dollars on other exchanges. So I think you can expect to see more availability, more announcements coming soon.
How soon?
Imminently.
Well, we'll look out for that. What about in terms of adoption? How big do you expect this to get in the next year realistically? I mean, do you have a baseline kind of projection on how big it could get based on the adoption you're talking about with clients? Do you think large institutions are using this? Who's using it?
So, I mean, if we look at the crypto landscape overall, I mean, it has certainly been, the market's been growing in the past couple quarters, and we think that this year is going to be a big year for crypto overall, and so demand for stable coins we think will grow along with that. As you mentioned, I mean, it's really the way to on-ramp and off-ramp. It's also used as a key asset in trading. So we think that the market's going to grow tremendously over the course of the next year. Our demand from within our client base, our business doubled within payments last year. And so we see a really strong growth trajectory for our payment solution. And with that, Ripple US dollar will have a premium role.
Monica, what about other asset types? You've seen a lot of interest when it comes to ETFs tied to cryptocurrencies. A lot of questions around whether you could see an ETF tied to spot XRP. What kind of discussions are you having with people about this? Do you think we'll see one soon?
I think we will see one very soon. I think that we will see more, various crypto spot ETFs this year coming out of the U.S. And I think XRP is likely to be next in line after Bitcoin and ETH. There's already been a number of different companies like Canary and others who have filed. And so we think, especially with the administration change, and that the approvals of those filings will accelerate.
From Bloomberg Crypto, Ripple's president Monica Long expects to see the new stablecoin RLUSD on platforms intimately, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but whatever. XRP will pump the hardest after Trump takes office. I'm excited. Stefan is crypto, and this is the inauguration line, and it should take off from there to, what is he showing, $65? Shut the front door. $65 by, what is this, April, May? Sometime before May. Interesting. Shout out to crypto Stefan. At the chart real quick, it looks like we are building volume on the 15-minute chart. Let's go over to the 1 hour chart. Looks like we've building volume and there's a slight pullback. We're back at this resistance line of $2.33. And we'll check the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart looks very bullish. A big green candle and $2.34. Looks like we're losing volume. Had a MACD cross and had a MACD cross earlier. Actually, that was December. I had a MACD cross and we've been going down, but with the green candle, I suspect we'll be building volume soon. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we had a MACD cross and we're building volume again. Looks like we have a pullback down to that resistance and we might pop up. So let's go to a video.
XRP whales are starting to buy more XRP. And if you know anything about crypto, then that should tell you XRP is ready to fly. And if you think $2.80 was high, just wait until you see the next pump because it's going to be biblical. Now, over the last few days, XRP investors have realized $4 billion in gains. That means they have been selling. And that's why we've been seeing the price pull back a little. But there's one thing that no one's really talking about. They're so focused on XRP working with banks. And although that can happen in the future, I'm looking towards this one event. And that event would be a bunch of XRP ETFs hitting the scene all at once. ETFs are what sent Bitcoin to the moon. It's the reason why we're getting all this mass adoption. People like BlackRock, Vanguard are all buying up Bitcoin, and that's institutional money. Once that same money gets into XRP, it's going to have immense potential and probably rival the ETFs of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Where do you think XRP is going next?
Where do you think XRP is going next? Let me know in the comments. So this video is from Alan, All In Crypto. And let me go to this Fox video real quick. Let's see what he has to say from Fox News earlier. Just want to play this.
Be looking at right now.
Absolutely.
Why?
Okay, so Ripple actually was the second largest coin prior to the SEC's investigation of them. They did this really weird lawsuit against them. And basically, the Ripple's going to be the track that everything's going to be running on in the future. So they created their own stable coin right now.
Okay.
And Bank of America, like I said, they were doing 100% of their internal transactions. They've got 83 different patents on it. And there's some incredible stuff that's going to be coming out. So Bank of America, like I said, they were doing 100% of their internal transactions. They've got 83 different patents on it. And there's some incredible stuff that's going to be coming out. So
The cynics, though, tell me, only put as much in this space as you're willing to lose. Effectively, as of now, some people say it feels like a casino.
Mhm.
Do you agree with that?
It's the best example I have is this. Don't not get involved with something. Do whatever you would do for a nice weekend away with your spouse.
Okay.
And instead of doing that weekend, maybe put that in crypto. Here's what I'll tell you, 3 to 5 years from now, you either made some real money or you just lost one weekend together. Not a big deal.
I know, but I could have had that vacation.
You could have had the vacation or you made your retirement. You could have had the vacation or you made your retirement.
Well said.
We told you this was going to be a bullish video. That's one of the most bullish things I think I've ever heard. He reminds people that Bank of America actually did 100% of their internal transactions on XRP. And they have, he said, 80-something patents. Actually, let's dive into one of those patents. This is obviously from the Google patent website. So you can see this is, of course, the patent. And
He's mentioning patents. I think that's what he's saying, patents. So we'll see, but looks like there is a mess load of Bank of America patents.
you can see on the left here, we've got all the different kind of diagrams that accompany it. Of course, figure number 6 actually shows Ripple. You can see this here. Ripple's shown in a number of occasions. This, of course, was filed by the Bank of America. Now, this patent has indeed run out, but this was just one of many that they have that I can find to hand. Now, if we dive over to Smoke's Twitter, obviously on the back end of this, he was highlighting some of the links between Bank of America and, of course, XRP. And you can see here, we've got at the bottom, Ripple, settlement infrastructure, and we've got Bank of America in regards to banks that are involved in this. This is Ripple's partner. Again, you can see very, very clearly that we have the Bank of America here, along with some other pretty substantial names. You can see here, this is Apex Ripple's past success. You can see again, Bank of America showing up, the likes of Santander on this one, and a number of others. And you can see this is Ripple's opportunity, largest global payment service. This is another one sort of showing once again some of the transcripts. So this is from an article in 2022. Bank of America set record for patent granted during first half of 2022. Payment Technologies Bank has more US patents than any other financial service company. The use of Ripple, the financial technology, is remarkable. This is on another one of their pages. The relationship between blockchain infrastructure and the technology used with the blockchain. Work in test mode with more than 100 banks, Santander, Bank of America, Axis, Standard Chartered, etc. Unlimited scalability. It is designed to improve existing payment technologies by accelerating exchange operations and facilitating the trade of low liquid assets. You can see again here is something else. Tokenization, traditional assets aren't crypto. The BOFA Global Research expects 99% of those in existence today to essentially disappear over the next 10 years. Of course, that's going to clear the way for XRP.
So as I mentioned previously, there is a lot coming down the pipeline for XRP. And these guys just showed you Bank of America has been working with XRP since looks like 2016, give or take. But let's see what Austin has to say real quick, and then we'll wrap it up.
The overall market is down. That's why XRP is moving down. And you know, this is what I've been talking to you guys about. I said that we would be very volatile in the month of January leading up to the Trump administration taking over on January 20th, leading up to Paul Atkins, the new SEC commissioner, taking over on January 20th, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But a 4% move down as of the recording of this video right now is not a crashing scenario, okay? And look, don't let your emotions step in. Don't let fear step in. Always remember this. Remember that XRP is a global business. XRP moves billions of dollars or more a day through their global money management, money movement system. That's what they do. This is a business that, by the way, they, for all intents and purposes, have been locked out of the United States market because of the Ripple SEC lawsuit. I think that's going to change. I think that Trump's going to change that. I think we're going to see XRP quite frankly, and Ripple with their technology, they are going to step into the financial services business here in the United States. And by that, I mean financial service. I mean moving money and doing what they do for United States companies, uh, uh, government entities, all, et cetera, right? Organizations, all that, and retail individuals as well. I think they're going to do that. So again, XRP is not crashing. XRP is not going, completely down. The market is moving down. We're down. We're down about 2% in the last hour or so. And again, we're seeing XRP right here. Like now it's showing, okay, there it goes. It's down 4.8%. Okay, so it's down about 1.5 from even when I started recording this video. And this video so far, I'm 2 minutes in, right? And so again, but it's not a crashing scenario. And by the way, if it does continue to move down, I'm still buying. I'm going to buy more because I believe fundamentally in XRP where they're going, what's going to happen. And this is a shakeout. This is an overall broad market shakeout. You can kind of see it. You can feel it. Like Solana's down 6%. Dogecoin's down 6%, kind of moving down here. Avalanche is down 8%. Sui down 7%. Chainlink down 8%. Shiba Inu down 6%. Toncoin down 4%. Stellar down 5%. That makes sense because it moves along with that XRP. But again, it's not. I mean, now this may be scaring people. People are like, oh my God, look at this candle, right? Okay, I get that. That might be scaring people, but again, it's not a crashing event. It's simply not. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't worry about it. I'm going to remind you that from November 5th to Friday the 6th, it went up 400%. XRP can move. It can absolutely move. Now, this was the election here in the United States, and we could see, quite frankly, a move like this when Trump takes office.
So as he mentioned, definitely don't sell your XRP. And the inauguration, when Trump comes in the office, will be a pump for XRP, right? Once the old administration's gone and new administration comes, a lot more investors are probably going to FOMO into XRP. But I don't want to hold you all night. It's just a quick update. I had to get these XRP updates out there. Thanks for joining. And if you're in Dubai and Europe, good morning. And everyone else, good night. And we'll see you later. It's your main man, BTM, signing out. Remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.